today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they say it's raining. 4 days continue raining.
Always alert weather forecast because of.
Because I always looking because we are to change shoes also, no?
Yes.
Because raining, I can't put shoes. Some shoes it's getting water, no? We have to put when it's raining that time different shoes. That's why. And clothes or jacket also we have to change.
Is it going minus temperature or plus?
Last 2-3 weeks ago, -3. 1 to now plus today I saw 9 plus 9. Now getting better, yeah. Next month most better because spring is very beautiful. It's every trees there because winter that leaves flowers. It's all fall in, no? Now first coming flowers. After that it's different year. First coming flowers. After that coming leaves, no? And then I saw my garden. Yeah, greens. Now I saw my garden. I have a big plant. It's coming beautiful pink color flowers. After that coming greens everything.
You are there.
25 years, yeah.
How long? Yes.
25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think your motherland is Australia.
My motherland is Italian now.
Yes, Italian.
No, maybe now it started raining. No, sometime when it's raining, a little bit going up and down signal. No.
Yeah.
Veronica.
Yes.
Please repeat before said you. Please repeat.
What did you ask before? I can't hear you.
Yes. I can't. We can't.
Tell me
We can't hear properly. So please.
In
Sri Lanka, you're from?
Colombo. Yeah, Colombo 14.
Colombo 14. Okay.
No, Grand Pass.
Grand Pass. Close to the police station?
Yes. Close,
Okay.
not Grand Pass police station. Close, Armour Street police station.
Armour Street police station. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Premadasa's police station.
Yeah. That killed ex-president.
Oh.
Yeah. No, that time when he died, that time I'm there.
You was in Sri Lanka at that time?
Yes, I was there.
Okay. You heard it that sound?
1991.
Yes, I heard. Every 1st of May, we are going to see with my family. They are they are going. No, I'm not participate, but I'm going to see what they are doing. No, they are doing that May 1st. They are doing lot of. They are going manifest. No, they are manifesting. No.
Yeah.
Actually, Veronica, why did you participate in this course?
I want because I forgot my English. No.
Yeah.
When I came here, I always speak in Italian, and nobody speaking here English. The Italians don't like to speak English. Then I lot of forget. When I going to speak somewhat English, I'm going to start. No. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I'm shy because I try to say something wrong. No. That's
you
why.
Always start with English. That's good.
That's good.
That's why I joined this class because this backup room is very good because if I continue speaking like this, I think I can speak well before, no?
If you are not using language, automatically forget it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, now I speak in well in Italian and reading and writing, but
good.
I forget.
Hello? Excuse me, Veronica.
Yes.
It is easy to learn Italian language better than English.
English very easy. Italian, no,
Yeah.
it's very difficult. Lot of people here, Sri Lankan people, 13 years, 14 years, still they can't.
But they can't speak.
Because they don't want. They want study. They want
Earn money.
Earn money. They think it's okay. You study, learn little bit. It's okay. It's basic, no? They think. But if they go in somewhere to office, somewhere doing this, they can't. They are speaking. I heard lot of time they speaking. It's wrong. So in Italian grammar is very difficult, not just like English. No, English is very easy because English
Then-
is say. Sorry.
Then Veronica, they are speaking in English. It is no problem. They can communicate each other.
Who
In
is
Italy,
speaking?
in Italy, they can understand. All people can using English.
Now new generation they start learning in at school English one period. Before
Yeah.
they don't have. Now new generation they because now new generation they
Working
use
place?
telephone. Sorry,
Working place, working place.
working place. They are always speaking Italian.
Italian, yes.
Yeah.